Good evening everyone. I am Jan Jonas Piamonte, 17 years old, from Solbec, Narvacan, Ilocos Sur, and I am currently studying in ISPSC Santa Maria. And this video presentation is all about our BGMO. So without further ado, let's start. Vision: UIP 2030, Smart, Globally Competitive, and Responsive State University. Mission: UIP is committed to producing globally competent and victorious human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Core values: I stands for innovativeness, M for motivation, P for professionalism, E for excellent, T for transparency and accountability, U unity and teamwork, and S sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et virtus in posterum, wisdom and virtue for the future. Goals: the program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research extension and resource generation in the field of information technology. Objectives: Number 1. The graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer systems, processes, and the main body of knowledge being in the information technology field. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as IT, specialist, web or mobile applications developer, network engineering, database administrator, and system administrator. Number 2. Capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes coming higher learning degrees or completing professional advancement training. Number 3. The graduate will be adapted to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually as a member or leader of a team, communicate effectively, and ensure social and ethical responsibilities in the community and their profession.
Dreams and visions reading the master novels, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded by the society. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Sur protect this state.